everyone. So here's the recipe to the Swedish meatballs, and it's 2 servings. 1 pound of ground beef, 1 pack of the shirataki fettuccine noodles, Alfredo sauce, beef bouillon, either in the powder or the cube, pink salt, pepper, a fry pan with spatula and cover, and a strainer. Let's start by making 16 meatballs and turn it on a medium heat. And let's add over heavily pink salt, light pepper. Cover and cook. While that's cooking on one side, let's go ahead and rinse our shirataki noodles under cold water, really getting your hands in there so you get that smell off. Rinse for at least 3 minutes, and then use a kitchen scissors because these are pretty long, so you want to cut them up. Then flip your meatballs, and we're going to add a little bit more pink salt, a little bit more pepper. You're going to cover and continue to cook. Once they're done cooking, go ahead and strain this, all the grease out, and then put it back on the stove, and let's add our ingredients. Add your full bag of fettuccine noodles, 1 cup of the Alfredo, 1 tablespoon of the beef bouillon or 2 cubes. Mix it around really well, and then add a little more pepper, and then get ready to serve it up. This was 2 servings, like I said, and I added Parmesan cheese, and it was 16 net carbs for a total count for the entire dish. So that plate right there is 8 net carbs and was absolutely delicious. Tasted just like Swedish meatballs. So definitely make this for your family and enjoy this, everyone. These meals can be so fun, so easy, and so delicious. And remember to keep it keto.